day, and you're welcome to As Big Bees. Have you ever wondered or ever thought about farmhouse? Small garden, beautiful environment where you can relax yourself and then think about your plans and the way forward of life. You're wondering, how can I get? How much will this even cost? Where will I build this? Do you have a piece of land? There are many questions that will come to your mind concerning this kind of project that you want to embark on. It's not anything big or anything serious, but it's a simple way and a simple life that you can make. I just want to show you something. This is my farmhouse that I built from scratch, excluding the mason work. I did a foundation, I did a carpentry work, both the roofing and then other petty works. As you can see here, I use thick panel at the second grade, which doesn't cost much. Right now, I am there as I'm filming. Usually, I normally come here on weekends. You can see my cucumber, my cassava, my plantain. I've in fact grew many crops and variety of things that will help me here. You can see this is my bathhouse. Very simple and pleasant, you know. A ginger, some chilies or pepper. I have my sugarcane and then my pawpaw. I also have this beautiful mango tree over here. Oh, this is a very nice environment. As you can see from afar, this is how my farmhouse looks like. Let me go to this side so that you can have a very clean view of it. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it nice? My flowers. You can build this very simple farmhouse, which I think won't cost much. Actually, I didn't pen down all the estimation and then all the cost. Or at least, if you want to get something like this, you can as well make it yourself, or you can hire a carpenter and he will do a wonderful job for you. Behind here is my tricycle that I normally use for my business. This is my dog, my new pet, Skinny, in our local language, or in an English language, it's them rich man or a wealthy man. And this is my cocoyam. I've also cultivated some yam. You can see this is very nice. So in case you want, or in case you're living in a house, or you're living in a place and the landlord or people are disturbing you, you can find a peace of mind to think about yourself and your project, why not get yourself this kind of farmhouse? I think it will help you. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We normally deal with bees and some petty farm issues. So anytime I come up with any idea, I will let you know. Currently, it's been a long time since I visited my beehives. but I will not leave you behind. Anytime I go there, I will take videos of it and then a bit for you to also enjoy. Thank you very much for watching, and have a very beautiful, nice day.